This is Mishak from South Africa. Ghana people in South Africa are fantastic. We are working hand in hand. We never have any problem with Ghana people.
Just days after protests against foreign nationals in South Africa, something unexpected is happening. Several South Africans are now going viral, not for criticizing foreigners, but for praising Ghanaians.
They never been reported in police station of any kind of a problem. So I want to thank every Ghana people. Guys, you are fantastic. We need more Ghana people. I think we need to give them a land whereby it will be only Ghana people in South Africa. They deserve it. And also we need our own in Ghana. The relationship is fantastic.
So what exactly are they saying, and why is this so surprising so many people across Africa?
My name is McDonald. I'm here from South Africa. And to send it to all the Ghanaians. Salute.
Ghana is one of the most distinct countries we have in this continent. One of the most important countries we have in this continent. And the people of Ghana are one of the coolest you ever come across.
In this video, we break down what is happening in South Africa to the extent that a number of South Africans are showering kind words on Ghanaians. And if this is the first time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Now let's get into the video.
Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe. These videos take quite a long time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. Thank you all for your support. Now let's get back to this crazy story.
I'm going to Ghana. How about you?
Ghana is the beautiful country. The weather is beautiful and people are friendly. I love Ghana. And I've been to Accra Mall.
Thank you.
Yes, and I went to eat to buy the fish. You know the fish? It looks a bit like a snake fish. It's round. I don't know if it's a catfish, but it's smoked fish. It's a smoked fish.
Yeah.
They put a stick in between.
Yes, it is.
Then you were able to enjoy. But
Thank you. Pepper soup as well. Thank you. What's Kiki? Thank you. Ghana. We are coming to Ghana.
everybody's coming to Ghana. Everybody's coming to Ghana. What about you?
So recently, South Africans have seen protests in some areas with locals demanding action against undocumented foreign nationals. It's a sensitive issue, one that sparked strong emotions and debate. And the recent one was a march which was organized by March for March, one of the biggest marches, which saw a number of South Africans coming up to take actions against undocumented migrants and foreign nationals living in South Africa.
Foreign-owned shops have shut down following ongoing marches in the area as tension escalates and concerns of their safety continues to grow among business owners.
They say, I don't know what the problem, they say, okay, Abahambe people, I don't know people that is not documented, but you can see that people, even people that are documented, they are also affected. There is people that are not documented and illegal foreigners. They know where they are, but police know where they are. So why is everybody affected?
It's painful. See, I'm close. I didn't make money even cents. So how am I going to? It's painful.
Foreign nationals says they should not be linked to illegal immigration, adding that many work legally.
This, if you say let every shop own foreigner to close the shop, you can see this place will be a ghost town. That thing must send a message to you that.
For credible source by DUT Journalism, I am Sbongile Nyao.
And one of the nationalities or one of the nationals living in South Africa is Ghana. In fact, there are a number of Ghanaians also living in South Africa. Most of them are hairdressers and other professionals, all right? And also because South Africa and Ghana, we have visa free. So if we are Ghanaian, you can just pick up your passport and go to South Africa. So That is also helping with the rise of Ghanaians traveling to South Africa. In fact, the number of South Africans who come to Ghana is on the minimal. It's not like the number of Ghanaians who go to South Africa. I don't have any data to back this, but I'm just assuming, and I'm thinking that my assumption is correct. But right in the middle of that tension, a completely different narrative has emerged, and that is in multiple viral videos which I'm about to show you. South Africans are speaking openly about their experiences with Ghanaians living in the country. Some describe Ghanaians as peaceful, respectful, and law-abiding.
This is Mishak from South Africa. Ghana people in South Africa are fantastic. We are working hand in hand. We never have any problem with Ghana people. They never been reported in police station of any kind of a problem. So I want to thank every Ghana people. Guys, you are fantastic. We need more Ghana people. I think we need to give them a land whereby it will be only Ghana people in South Africa. They deserve it. And also we need our own in Ghana. The relationship is fantastic. I tell you, we don't regret it.
My name is Joseph, and you?
Dikeledi.
Dikeledi, lovely name. From South Africa, right?
Mzansi.
Okay.
Zulu.
Zulu.
Ni amukelekile ezweni lethu lasemzansi.
Solid one. So in Ghana we say akwaba.
Akwaba.
Yes.
In Sesotho we say le amuhelehile mo lefatsheng la rona la Afrika Borwa.
What about you are beautiful?
Umuhle ngesizulu.
Then you are beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So when are you coming to Ghana?
Next year.
You are intends to visit Ghana in next year. Mm-hmm. So which place do you really want to visit?
Accra, definitely.
And
is it the gate of no return?
It is Cape Coast.
Cape Coast, yeah.
And Elmina Castro.
Elmina Castro.
Sure, Castro.
Castro.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to go there.
Wow.
I think there's a lot of history. It's rich in history.
So that's the main reason why you want to visit.
Yeah, and I like Ghanaians. Ghanaian people. We've got people from Ghana, from where I stay. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, very nice, humble people.
Wow. So Ghanaians are humble here.
Yes, you are. Thank you.
Okay, so
thank you
there's
so much.
Connection between Ghana and South Africa.
And definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Have fun, guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
My name is McDonald. I'm here from South Africa. And to send it to all the Ghanaians. Salute.
Others go even further, saying that they've never had problems with Ghanaians, and in fact, they've never seen a Ghanaian being taken to the police station before.
I'm going to Ghana. How about you?
Ghana is one of the most distinct countries we have in this continent, one of the most important countries we have in this continent, and the people of Ghana are one of the coolest you ever come across. Now, if you see somebody across this continent who says that they have met a Ghanaian and the Ghanaian was not receptive enough, then know that person has got a problem, because Ghanaians are genuinely awesome. Whether you like it or not, and I will say this any day, anytime, Ghanaians are genuinely awesome. Now, we're talking about movies in Africa. One of these countries that actually promulgated movies within this continent, Ghana. The Ghanaian movie industry banged, uplifting our movie, sector within this continent to a whole different level. The Ghanaian music scene, oh gracious heavens. See, aside Nigeria that pushed Afrobeat to its peak, Ghana played a massive role. Not only in Afrobeat, even in high life and a couple of other genres, Ghana was present. When we're talking about African football, we can't talk football without involving Ghana. So Ghanaians are just different. They are unique. Very important. Remember when Asha Speed came to Africa, the way Asha Speed was so gagged about Ghana, man. I don't think we need to be talking about this anymore. Ghanaians, you are different. I love you all so much, and just keep doing your thing. Just keep being you. We see you, we love you, we appreciate you. Much love, Ghana. You are indeed the gateway to Africa.
In fact, this is not just one person. This comes across different clips. Several South Africans have similar views.
Wow, Ghana is the beautiful country. The weather is beautiful. And people are friendly. I love Ghana. And I've been to Accra Mall. Thank you. Yes, and I went to eat, to buy the fish. The fish, it looks bit like a snake. It's round. I don't know if it's a catfish, but it's a smoked fish. They put a stick in between.
Yes, it is a
Then you were able to enjoy. But
It
yeah.
is pepper soup as well. And then what's kiki?
Thank you.
We are coming to Ghana.
Everybody's coming to Ghana. Everybody's coming to Ghana. What about you?
From they don't cause trouble to they are well cultured and disciplined, and it doesn't even stop there. In fact, recently Ghanaian supporters were seen in South Africa, not for themselves, but to support Bafana Bafana in their friendly match against Panama.
This side, I see you guys from Ghana. I saw a boat that you had said, Bafana Bafana. How did you make of this moment, and why are you
here? Very excited that we are coming to support the Bafana Bafana, the national team of the South Africans. We are coming to cheer them up so that they can beat the Panama. That is our mission here, for them to see that we are here. We are Africans, we are one. So we are coming to support our Bafana Bafana, to win the game.
I see you are with our legend here. This is our very own legend of the game. This is the main man. This is the main man. Let us talk about this game here. Baba, sijabula kakhulu ukukubona ngangisagijimange anda ngikubona lapha nikhoza
ya makunje sengila number I'm legendary. No, I'm a president of Sanato Mission Supporters Union. We make sure that African country we come together. These people, they come from Ghana to support Bafana Bafana. They want to play against Panama in World Cup. World Cup. So now myself and them, we are going to Germany. Germany to support Ghana against Germany. We want all the country, African country, to support each other. If Ivory Coast play Argentina, we support Ivory. Senegal, Brazil, all African supporters. That's why you see them here. They're coming here to support South Africa, to bring African supporters unite.
So the message is Africa is one.
Now think about this. In a moment when division is trending, some people are choosing support, respect and unity. Why would they come out to defend some foreign national as against others? And I'm going to be frank and tell you that Ghanaians are the kind of people who are trained and cultured so well to always respect their host nation and respect every person we find around us. And that's why when we come to Ghana, we are very hospitable. When you are talking to a Ghanaian, you will notice that the Ghanaian will use please for several times. That is how we have been taught and cultured. So personally, where in the country where I find myself, hardly will you hear any Ghanaian having any problem. Of course, it doesn't mean that every Ghanaian is a saint. No, there are bad Ghanaians. There are bad Ghanaians. Let's emphasize on that. But on an average, you see that the number of Ghanaians who are engaged in this are very minimal. They're just few people, just 1, 2, 3 people. But the majority of the Ghanaians, they are well cultured, they are respectable, they respect their host nation, and they do not intentionally engage in things that will create problems for both their host country and others around them. And so, personally, I was not surprised hearing this from South Africans. I am not surprised because I know where I'm from and I know how my people are. And so for me, hearing this kind words coming from South Africans, I am not surprised. So the real South Africans who are watching this video, does this video and these clips that I've replayed reflect the real character of Ghanaians in South Africa? If you're a South African and you are watching, I'm sure you may have come across a Ghanaian in one way or the other. I'm asking that these videos that you've heard, does this really reflect the attitude of Ghanaians living in South Africa? Do they portray a good character? Are they good people? Or these videos are just selected few? What is the attitude and the character of Ghanaians in South Africa? Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know. I want to know the real character. I want to know if what we played in the video really reflects how Ghanaians behave in South Africa or is something different. Leave your comment in the comment section. It's a wrap for today.